Reporting to you live from Bel Air in Los Angeles, California. We are all facing the coronavirus together, and I am reporting to you, Uber and Lyft drivers, to come out with a breaking news update. Uber has just announced that the Greenlight Hubs are officially closed. Uber is in lockdown mode. If you are an Uber and a Lyft driver, you are not allowed to go to any Greenlight Hubs for any inspections, for any servicing. If your app is down, your app is down. Good luck getting that back up and restored, and you are probably gonna be offline for the next several months until the Greenlight Hub is reopened. I am just honestly suffering. I'm quarantining myself. I'm waking up and all I have to do is go in the jacuzzi and swim. I mean, my life is literally miserable right now, guys. I am self-quarantining myself. I am not doing any Uber and Lyft rides, and I am staying indoors and in my huge backyard. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, I am taking a break from driving Uber and Lyft right now. If you are an Uber and a Lyft driver, I suggest you do the same. I know you might be in a financial downfall because most Uber and Lyft drivers don't have money saved up. So yeah, I mean, it would be smart to just take some days off and try to seek other income sources at the time, whether that's making TikTok videos and getting your money from TikTok, YouTube, whatever you have to do, guys. Stop driving for Uber and Lyft if you can. If you can't, then keep doing your rides. Disinfect your car every single day. And I'm not talking about doing little sprays and spray bottles in your back seat. I'm talking about getting your car detailed and steam cleaned. Get a rug, steam cleaner, whatever you have to do. You do not want to get the coronavirus at this time. I myself, some people ask me, oh, hey Dylan, are you still going out and doing Uber and Lyft rides? Ha! You think I want to go out there, risk my life, my family's life, and you know, maybe I'm young and you know, my immune system can handle this virus, but you know what? I have family too, and I don't want to risk, and not even my family, but just other people. I don't want to spread this, and I think at this time, we have been ordered to stay indoors. Governor Gavin Newsom told us not, at least here in California, don't go gather in crowds and groups. Universities are closed. My old school, UC Berkeley, is completely remote for the rest of the year. There are going to be no in-person classes for the next 6 months at UC Berkeley, and that school, guys, is the California school. So let's take it from the government. Coachella's canceled. The NBA is what's it called? Suspended. No flights. There's a travel ban from Europe. Denmark. My buddy is in Denmark. He's on a 14-day lockdown. They can't do anything for 14 days. The Uber driver that I made a video about last night, he's in Texas. He's quarantined. He's in a assisted living center, and they cannot go outside. No visitors. Guys, this is not the time to go out and do Uber and Lyft rides. This is not the time to go to parties. This is not the time to, you know, shake hands with people. Traveling, I would just stay away from the airports, guys. It's not worth it. It really isn't. But anyways, now let's get into what exactly did Uber say? What did Uber say? I have the details right here. I'm gonna share with you guys. You do not want to miss this. Uber just gave me an update 3 hours ago. I know I am kind of late. I got a little busy, and by that I mean I was sleeping in because I was up pretty late, if you know what I mean. I don't even know what I mean. Okay, let's get this thing started. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Let's get to this video to 100 thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and let's do this thing together. Okay, here we go. This is breaking news update. I'm gonna put it up right here. Camera person, is there enough room for the screenshot here? Yes? Shake the camera up and down if yes. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. So, closing Greenlight Hubs to protect drivers and customer support experts. Uber says, our priority remains helping to keep the communities in which we operate safe and healthy. Based on the advice of public health authorities to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, in parentheses, COVID-19. What does COVID-19 stand for? CO, Corona, V, I, virus, D, what does D stand for? D stands for, it's coronavirus D. I forget what D stands for, and then 19 is 2019. We are temporarily closing all Greenlight hubs in the United States and Canada. Greenlight hubs will be closed beginning Friday, March 13th, which is today. Well, Friday, March 13th, and are scheduled to reopen Monday, April 6th. That's almost 1 month, guys. March 13th to April 6th. We got 1, 2, 3.5 weeks of closure, guys. So if your app is down and you need to go talk to somebody, which I know I have to do that before, sorry, you're stuck offline. I'm sorry, guys. The government has ordered us not to meet in person with people. I'm even a little skeptical about what? Why are you looking at me?
Oh no. I'm just looking up.
Oh, okay. I was even a little skeptical to invite my camera person over today because I thought she might have the virus. But I am limiting my interactions with people. And honestly, thankfully I have enough money saved up from driving Uber that, you know, I might not even work for the next year or two, guys. I'm serious. Maybe 5 years. I'm gonna be inside in my bed. I just got a PS4. I'm playing Call of Duty. If any of you guys want to join me online, hit me up with your username. Let's play some Call of Duty together. I'm talking about zombies. I'm talking about the old school games. Or Madden. I'm down to play whatever. Okay, here we go. They said, we know this will create challenges for you, but we are determined to do everything we can to continue supporting your needs. They go, if you need help with Uber issues, you can still contact us 24/7 by using Uber in-app phone support. So, I'm sorry, guys. Camera person, you're tilting the camera a little bit. There you go. So, there you go, guys. You can still, I'm sorry, I was wrong in that. I didn't read the full message before sharing this info with you guys, but I do correct myself. You can still contact Uber via phone support. So even though you can't go in person, there are alternatives. I know, even I'm not perfect, okay? I'm just a simple Uber driver sharing my thoughts and relaying info to you guys who might not have seen the message. So here we go, I'm also sharing my thoughts. Again, here we go. They say, as a reminder, you can find resources and regular updates on our website to coronavirus on our website. Go to their website, guys. They go, this decision was not made lightly, but we've made it in an effort to keep both drivers and Greenlight Hub staff safe. Thank you for all the work you do to keep your community moving, especially in these challenging times. Guys, all you trolls in the comment section, trust me, I read all of those. All you trolls, you know, saying, oh, this is no big deal, this will pass. Oh, my earnings have gone up being an Uber driver. Guys, we are on lockdown mode. Wake up. Turn the news on. Italy, the entire country of Italy's quarantined, on lockdown. China, well, I don't really know exactly what's going on in the world, but people are going crazy, that's all I know. And this is nothing to be taken lightly. President Donald Trump just released I think he's actually currently live streaming, giving us updates, which I'm gonna go check in with that soon, and I suggest you all do the same. So I think it's tilting a little bit again, camera person. There you go, good job, good job. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to throw this update with you all, and I just, you know, I'm dedicating my life right now to give you guys updates. I'm gonna be basically making YouTube videos. I'm gonna be doing almost daily live streams if I can, and I'm also gonna be doing TikTok. So follow me on TikTok. I know some of you old people out there haven't heard of TikTok yet. That's okay. Download it today and follow me. I need my followers. And you guys think I have a lot of subscribers on YouTube? I got way more followers on TikTok, okay? And you guys think you guys are funny in the comment section down here, making hate videos about me? Guys, this is nothing. I'm huge on TikTok, okay? I know you guys probably don't really know what that means, but basically I have hella clout, okay? And also, you know, get the merch. If you're staying indoors, you might need some comfortable pajamas. We got our pajama line on sale right now on the Rideshare Hub. It's not really a pajama line, it's basically just our shirts. They're comfy, you can sleep in them if you want. Thanks, camera person. She's nodding her head. She thinks they're comfy too. And they're also good gifts. Coronavirus gifts. Not Christmas gifts, not Valentine's Day gifts, but coronavirus gifts. Thank you guys. Let me know in your comment section down below. I am actually curious, are you driving for Uber and Lyft? And if you are driving for Uber and Lyft, let me know. What is your alternative plan to make money while the apps are down, while no one's giving rides? And I did want to touch on this a bit too. It's better to be prepared now. You think now is bad? It's going to get a lot worse, guys. I'm just foreseeing it. I'm not a psychic, but I can just tell. But also for Uber and Lyft drivers, think about it. People are traveling less. That means less airport rides. People are, schools are closed. Like I said, most universities are shut down for the next 6 months. So just that alone, people aren't going to be going from school to class. People are just literally chilling at home. They're not going, like, I know a majority of my rides are bar pickups. People aren't going out to the bars right now. Where are you going to get your rides? The only rides you're probably going to be getting are people going to the doctor. Who's going to the doctor? Sick people. Do you want to dedicate your life to transporting sick people in the back of your vehicle? I know I sure don't. So, yeah, guys, it's getting bad out there. And also most workplaces are work from home, so people aren't commuting. Like, you're not going to get commuting. And if you want to go for a nice drive on a Monday Monday rush hour, there's probably no more such thing as rush hour anymore. So you can go drive up to LA from San Diego, and it'll probably only take you 2 hours rather than taking 5 on a Monday. But yeah, guys, that's it. Again, subscribe, because I'm going to be throwing updates with you guys out. We are all in this together. I do want to tell you guys, you are not alone. If you're watching this by yourself, it's okay. I'm here by myself too, and we're in this together. Go get some food, stock up at the grocery store, get 100 rolls of 300, 500, 7,000 rolls of toilet paper if you really need to. I know some of you guys out there eat Chipotle every night, so you probably need it. Just kidding. But seriously, guys, stay safe out there. Make sure to wash your hands, follow the techniques. I'll try to leave a link, or there actually should be a little recommendation bar from the CDC below this video. Go check out that on tips to stay safe during this time. You guys are the best. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.